You know, every photo you take has secrets hidden inside. Today, we're going to find them.
Yep, every single image has a hidden story, kind of like a digital fingerprint with all the details.
So what is this stuff? It's called Exif data, and it's way easier to read than you think.
Okay, let's break this down. Exif is basically a standard that records how, when, and where a photo was taken. I mean, we're talking camera model, shutter speed, even exact GPS coordinates. It's all there.
And get this, it's baked right into the file the second you press that shutter button.
So how do you actually see it? Well, the fastest way is just using an online viewer. Tools like this one let you see all that hidden data in, like, just a few seconds.
Seriously, it's just 3 steps. Go to the site, upload your picture, and boom, there's the data.
And you know what? You can also use the tools that are already built into your computer or your phone.
All right, but why does any of this hidden data even matter? Let's get into why it's so useful.
For photographers, this is huge. It's like a recipe book for your best shots, helping you do it again.
If you're buying or editing images, this data helps you confirm the photo is legit and not altered.
But you gotta be careful. GPS tags can reveal sensitive locations, like your home, without you even knowing.
And for business? Oh, this is a total game changer. This metadata helps your products get seen.
It's simple, really. Properly tagged images just rank better in places like Google Images. So for sellers on, say, Shopify or Etsy, this is absolutely key to getting noticed. Get this, one study found images with complete metadata had 27% higher visibility. That's huge.
So let's talk tools. The right one really just depends on what you're trying to do.
Whether you just need a quick peek or a full-on deep dive, the perfect tool is out there. So your photos are talking. The real question is, do you know what they're saying?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.